Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. I'm back, guys, with another job lead. UPS is currently hiring. Shout out to UPS. I absolutely love you guys, especially the UPS guys and women and men in my neighborhood. I just want to say thank you so much for always delivering my packages, making sure that I receive my packages, caring for my packages. Thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody who wears brown. Love you guys. Just want to give a shout out to UPS, okay? UPS, woo! Thank you guys. So anyway, guys, UPS is currently hiring. I'm on their website right now. It says working here, our business, our values, our people, our culture, our location, our stories. Why UPS? Benefits, diversity, equity, inclusion awards. Who we hire hourly and seasonal and professional and supply chain solutions and students and veterans, and how we hire, events, hiring process, FAQs, the frequently asked questions, complete your application, save jobs, job alerts, US English. UPS is hiring, guys, worldwide, just so you know, worldwide. UPS is hiring. They have professional jobs, driver jobs, part-time warehouse jobs, full-time jobs. And let's see what else they have. Oh, it's just going to keep floating through. So these are your featured jobs. It says get a job offer in 25 minutes. Apply now. Create a profile. Watch videos to learn more. Answer questionnaire. Submit your application. UPS releases first jobs and opportunity report. Our stories. I just want to scroll through with you guys as I'm looking through these particular jobs. So I just want to do a quick video, guys, just to let you know that they're hiring. So I'm going to type in remote. As you know, every time I come on these jobs, I'm always looking for a remote. But what I noticed is that UPS have over 895 job openings worldwide. 895 job openings worldwide. Right now, when you type in remote, as you can see, shift your career now and start building a bright future. 17 results for remote jobs is currently available. So these are all of the remote jobs that are currently available. As you can see, this is where they're located. But these are remote, so they're allowing you to work from home with these particular remote jobs. So let me go to this next page here and see what else pops up. So you have this one. You have mid-range console operator, applications development, sales enterprise account manager, sales enterprise account manager. So we're going to go back. This is enterprise operational accounting moderation, as in modernization. Sorry if I tripped on that word, guys. Business system analyst remote. Real estate supervisor remote. So guys, I just wanted to come and do a quick video on UPS currently hiring, guys. UPS is a great place to work for, from what I understand. I know that I'm pleased with the actual drivers who deliver my packages to me. So shout out to UPS. And thank you so much for always delivering my packages. But I just wanted to share with you guys that they are currently hiring. UPS is hiring, guys. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these jobs. Sending lots of love, hugs, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, make it an amazing day for someone else. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing and watching my videos. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.